The elaborate and intricate structure of the human body could be studied for decades upon decades. So in the science section of sport yoga, you will learn a movement foundation that will prepare you for teaching with flexibility, direction, and resourcefulness. Welcome. The knowledge of the human body is both acquired with external information and internal experience. You learn things and then you feel them as well. Some of this science is very detailed. It allows you to hone in on specific ideas and concepts about the body to gain greater understanding and ability to apply. By knowing names of parts and the types of systems, you can see the parts of the human body that maybe need more attention or movement direction. It is also important to see the amazing, limitless potential of movement and the metastructure of the body as a whole, where every part of the body is connected, and how each new movement is a completely new neural pathway of trillions of cells at each moment, the zoomed in and the zoomed out.